off. He was a little guy. He used to swing Cujo.
Wow.
He wouldn't stop.
Yeah.
And I'd have to sit on him and fight him. And everybody around me would let him go. And
hell no. Yeah.
He's going to win it. A few times I had to let him go. He used to fight the hell out of me.
That's all right.
Hey, good girl. Hey, good baby. Are you having a good time?
Frank.
Are you having a good time?
Sit. Sit.
Oh, what a good girl.
Okay,
What a good girl. Go have fun. Go play. Oh, whose tennis ball is that?
Whose ball did you steal?
Whose ball?
Labrador, missing the front leg.
Aww.
Got a sash. She's like you. She's got all the same. She's got 3 Labradors. And the one is 3-legged. Well, it does pretty good. It gets around, you know.